a version of a possible air mishap. UP government chopper came head-to-head with a passenger plane. The air mishap has been averted in the Lucknow airspace. Kashif Kushro joining us with more details. Kashif, go ahead.
Well, yes, this was a close shave for at least 200 passengers on that Indigo flight from Mumbai to Lucknow. In fact, what's been reported as of now is that this flight coming into Lucknow yesterday evening, and the pilot of that aircraft spotted a chopper barely 500 feet away on its right-hand side is what the pilot reported. And immediately after that, the pilot reported this to the air traffic control, and the aircraft was told to cancel its, rather abort its landing and go ask for a go-around. What really happened was that the chopper pilot, which was briefed by the ATC to follow the Indigo flight and land after that, in fact, did not follow the instructions and came on head-on in front of the Indigo flight, and a really close shave for 200 passengers on board that flight from Mumbai to Lucknow.
Right now, Kashif, what action has been taken after this information has come to light about this near mishap? Prima facie, as you've said, the chopper pilot seems to be behind the mishap, a possible mishap.
Absolutely, Tamanna. As of now, what we are getting to know is only sketchy details of this incident, which was reported yesterday evening. In fact, we also learned that a proper investigation will be conducted into this as to why the chopper pilot did not follow instructions, because it was a clear close shave. In fact, what we also been told that both the helicopter pilot and the Indigo pilot were told by the air traffic control to follow visual rules. That means they have to make sure that the runway is in their sight and then land. And when the aircraft was about to land, the Indigo flight from Mumbai, that's when it spotted this chopper in its path about 500 feet away. And that's when it reported to the air traffic control that it's aborting its landing because it's seen a chopper and it's going for a go-around. At that moment, the air traffic control scrambled and checked with the chopper pilot, and he was not supposed to be in that position. He was supposed to be following Indigo, and after the Indigo aircraft landed, he was supposed to land. And now the investigation is why in the first place was that chopper pilot in the space in front of the Indigo flight. That's the question which the investigators will ask right now.
Now, Kashif, just give us details of how the entire sequence of events played out yesterday evening in the Lucknow airspace.
Well, Tamanna, to start with, there was this flight from Mumbai to Lucknow, Indigo flight, an Airbus 320 with about 200 passengers, which was about to land at Lucknow airport at about 5 o'clock yesterday evening. And when the aircraft was about to land, it was cleared to land on Lucknow's main runway 28. And at that time, the pilot of the aircraft spotted a chopper, which is about 500 meters away. And at that time, he aborted the landing, and a close shave for nearly 200 passengers on board that flight.
Thank you for that, Kashif Kushro.